whānau Morehu. It's a lovely day here in the city of Sales, and we're heading over to the new parish that's been set up over the North Shore. So bear with us, we're running a bit late, and we'll grab a couple of interviews over there with whānau from over the shore. Kia ora tātou. Kia ora koutou te whānau Morehu. Yes, we made it in time for the community here at Te Raki Pai Whenua Pareha, North Shore, Auckland. And I'd like to introduce you to the shepherd of this new parish that has started in Auckland, Apotoro Wairua Shannon Leilua.
Kia ora koutou te whānau. My name is Shannon Leilua. I am the standing Apotoro Wairua for the North Shore. I have links to Ngāti Whātua, Ngāti Pro, Ngāpuhi, as well as Western Samoa and Rarotonga. I've lived on the North Shore for about 32 years. This is our first whakamoemiti here for our pariha Te Raki Pai Whenua. Great honour to have everybody here. Ngā pau te hahi mai ki tēnā pariha, as well as having the Takatau Moana Choir and just te iwi Morehu me ngā whānau katoa. Kia ora tātou.
Kia ora my bro, thank you very much again for allowing us to be here today. An awesome opportunity. So there you are whānau, there you have the Apotoro Wairua, the shepherd for Te Raki Pai Whenua Pareha. Ka kite anō.
Kia ora.